right, guys, a lot of customers ask what's the difference between Flowmaster, Magnaflow, and Borla. All right, so right here we've cut up a bunch of mufflers for you. We split them down the middle so you can see the interior design. This right here is a Flowmaster. As you can see, it's a chambered style muffler. It creates a nice clean American rumble. So if you're looking for a nice clean rumble, you got a truck or an American muscle car, you slap a Flowmaster on there and it gives you a nice clean rumble. Now, one of the more versatile mufflers, you can pretty much put it on anything. For the most part, I recommend it for American muscle cars. That's about it. Don't put it on your Corolla. Don't put it on your G35. I see other shops selling a bunch of nonsense. Not my recommendation. This is not for those cars, all right, guys? Now you have the Borla system. Now these Borla mufflers have a lot more technology, a lot more versatile. They can pretty much go on anything, but the majority of cars they're built for are, for instance, like the Hellcats, the Scat Pats, the Camaros, stuff like that. We've even installed them on some BMWs. They sound pretty sweet. As you can see, there's a little bit more technology in there, but for the most part, pretty unique design. Got a little mini muffler in there. I don't know if you could see that, Jay, but inside there's a little mini muffler in there. Creates a nice sweet rumble. Also anti-drone technology, which you can't really beat. You don't really get that with Flowmaster, and you don't get that with Magnaflow. The anti-drone technology is developed R&D'd by Borla itself. They really kill it when it comes down to stuff like that. Now you got this Magnaflow system. Most of the Magnaflows, they come with this kind of design, which is a fiberglass wool and a perforated core on the inside. This is packing right here to deepen up the sound. It takes the flow, goes through these little holes right there, goes through this, this wool mesh, whatever you want to call it, and then deepens up the sound a little bit. So if you got a little bit too much aggression out of your exhaust, you slap 2 Magnaflows on there. It gives you a nice clean deep tone. Nothing super aggressive. Minimizes some drone, not as much as a Borla because there's not as much R&D in there. But for the most part, Magnaflow does a pretty damn good job of deepening up the system. So boom, you got Magnaflow, Borla, Flowmaster. So most of these mufflers come with a full catback. So if you wanted a Flowmaster catback, they're available. Borla catbacks, obviously we sell a ton of them. They're on our website, gexhaust.com. Magnaflow, same setup. My opinion, Borla has the best bang for the buck. When it comes down to performance, comes down to sound quality, it comes down to just general making your car sound badass. Borla is definitely the way to go, guys. So that's my recommendation. G Exhaust, Borla all the way, guys.